Icelandic Elements is a private tour company. You can contact us for any types of tours in Iceland. Enjoy the video.
Ja.
Er það gøy? First cast, sorry. Fish on the dry fly. You're a sex symbol.
Reyndi að vera með svona litla græjur. Þetta sé bara stór fiskur sko.
What are you using? A 3-weight?
Yes. 8.2 feet.
8.2 feet. Misha, nej. So what's up guys? Me and Garðar, we're here. Beautiful pool here behind us. We're getting eaten alive by these bugs that you can see on my face. We only have one net, so we are, you know, giving it to, or you know, we are giving it to one.
We're sharing.
We're sharing the net.
We're not sharing.
We're not sharing. Net worth. Yeah, so we've got this one fish on the dry fly. We know there are fish around. We saw way more surface action further down, but usually there are smaller fish there. We're gonna continue a little bit further up the river and try our luck there. Okay. Okay guys, we're just fishing here a little bit further down the river, and I noticed that Misha hadn't been with us for some time. She usually goes looking in the area and comes back. Look how dirty she is. There's a mink stand here. You can see the trail. There's a trail here. I don't know how well you can see it on the camera. So, okay, should we leave it off? Yeah. Hey, so what's up guys? We have started our journey back down the river again. Misha, go there. You can see how dirty Misha is. She is super dirty. She was inside that den or that hole for a pretty long time, digging. We stomped the grounds, you know, did everything we could to get her out. Did not work. We have the shotgun with us, but we were hoping we might catch something running or might be able to find it in an easier spot. Garðar is fishing this beautiful little pool here. Já, hvað segir ekki? Við erum að fara niður, ég veit að langar aftur upp. We have to go down the river now, Misha. I know you want to go back. Já. Það er hérna kistan hérna, beint áður en það brýtur á. Sami staðar og ég fekk hann. Þar eru þeir í dýpinu. Ég sé flexið á yfirborðinu.
Sérðu?
Það kom svona hreyfing í yfirborðið. Again. So as you can see, Garðar has hooked up a fish. There is nothing more exciting than catching them on a streamer, in my opinion. Obviously the surface takes are the most fun, hitching for salmon and dry flies. But I love getting the bait when you're using the streamer. Nice fish. Going down. Þú verður að elta hann, eða ekki?
Þessi stöng. Alva.
Nice fish. There are no like monster fish in this river, but it's a nice one.
Stöng. Það alltaf eins og sért með stóra fiska á.
Garðar is saying, using a lightweight rod like this, it's always like you have a big fish on. Þetta allt í full of slime. Er ekki bara go? Viltu eitthvað?
Nei.
I want to talk to him, kiss him, or he's gone. Yeah, man. You're a dirty little bitch, aren't you? Is it okay to say that? I mean, she is dirty, she is little,
And she's a bitch.
and she is a bitch.
Just like her mother.
So are people gonna get offended? I wonder about this a lot before I go to sleep.
But it is a bitch.
Beautiful fish. Good job.
Það er líka þruma í fluguna. Já, það er bara fallega.
Yeah, it's a nice fish. It's a nice fish for this river, Peter. Okay. Boom. Okay guys, I want to say thank you for making it to the end of the video. It's been an awesome day. As you know, Icelandic Elements is a private tour company. I'm a private tour guide. I can take you on basically all kinds of tours here, fishing tours, Golden Circle, which is the most popular, whatever. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing. Bye.